Vimeo is a leading platform for high-quality video hosting and sharing. This video will guide you through the process of creating a Vimeo account and uploading your first video. As of January 2026, Vimeo offers user-friendly tools and a focus on creator empowerment, making it a great alternative to other video platforms. Let's get started. To sign up for a Vimeo account, start by visiting vimeo.com in your web browser. Once on the site, look for and click the Join or Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You'll see options to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID for quick access. If using email, provide your details and choose a strong, secure password to protect your account. After submitting your information, Vimeo will send a verification email to confirm your account. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. This quick process unlocks all Vimeo features and allows you to start uploading videos immediately. Remember, creating an account is completely free. Vimeo offers different account types to suit various needs, from free basic plans to premium enterprise options. The basic account is free with limited uploads, suitable for casual users who need basic video hosting features. The Plus account costs $7 per month and offers HD video uploads along with analytics, increased storage, and bandwidth, perfect for content creators. The Pro account costs $20 per month and provides advanced editing tools, customizable video players, and is ideal for professional creators. The Premium account costs $75 per month and includes enterprise features like custom branding, live streaming capabilities, advanced analytics and support, best for businesses and organizations. When choosing an account type, consider your video needs and budget. Remember to think about bandwidth and storage requirements, and start with a free account before upgrading as needed. Enhance your video's discoverability and appeal by customizing its details. Add a clear and descriptive title that accurately represents your content. Include a detailed description that provides context and engages viewers. Explain what the video is about and why they should watch it. Use relevant tags to help viewers find your video through search. Choose keywords that match your video's topic and content. Choose an eye-catching thumbnail that represents your video and attracts viewers. A good thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates. Vimeo also offers built-in tools like video trimming, effects, and automatic transcription powered by AI as of 2025 to further refine your video. Vimeo gives you complete control over your video's privacy settings. Select Public to make your video searchable on Vimeo and visible to all users. Choose Private to share your video only with those who have the direct link. Use Password Protected to restrict access to viewers with the correct password. Vimeo also offers enhanced privacy controls, including end-to-end encryption for private videos, ensuring your content stays secure. Vimeo provides powerful monetization options for creators. Vimeo On Demand lets you sell access to your videos through pay-per-view or rental models, giving you direct control over pricing and distribution. You can also integrate Patreon with your Vimeo channel. This allows fans to support you directly through monthly subscriptions, providing steady income for your video creation. Unlike other platforms, Vimeo gives creators greater control over their content and revenue. 90% of pro users report increased earnings through On Demand, averaging $2,500 per month. This creator-focused approach helps you build sustainable income from your videos. These options provide multiple ways to earn from your Vimeo videos. Whether through direct sales or fan support, you can turn your creative work into a sustainable source of income. To maximize your Vimeo experience, stay updated on the latest features, including AI-powered tools for video enhancement and immersive formats like 360-degree videos. Focus on creating high-quality content that appeals to your target audience. High production values and relevant themes will help your videos stand out. Utilize Vimeo's analytics to track viewer demographics and retention. This data helps you understand what works and refine your content strategy. Remember, privacy and data security are paramount. consider decentralized storage to combat data breaches and protect your content. By embracing these tips and best practices, you can thrive on Vimeo and connect with a global community of creators and viewers.